kid. What's your name, anyway?
My name is
Nano, N-A-N-O-P.
Burn that shit. Danos barca el gallón, el atún que quemo yo, fumando y dando vuelo. Ya doy vuelo en first class, mente viaja bien relax.
Hey, what's good, man? We back with another video, and today we got the best detailers here in Mount Pleasant, Texas, 903 area. Hit us up, man. We got the cheapest details in town. My boy Boo Boo doing $40 inside details, man. If you want your truck detailed, bro, he's doing this crew cab right here for 40 bucks. This shit is. Let me get you the before, man. This was my great-grandpa's, Papa Clyde's, man. He passed away on us recently. So, you know what I'm saying? Shout out, give us a prayer for him. And this was his truck right here. I don't even know what year this is, but dude, this whole like got some potential to it. You feel me? Like it really, I don't even know how many miles it's got. I know it can't have that many, but it's pretty dirty in here. Pretty dirty. I popped the hood though. Was gonna check what it got in here. It's a little GMC. Oh yeah, we got that nice Vortec in there. What is it though? What is this? Dang, see, I wish I knew my shit. It's a V8 though. Or am I tripping? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's a V8. Dang, boy, damn it, boy. We got a bad motherfucker right here though, but yeah, she really dirty right now. I'm finna clean the outside of her. Gonna clean my truck for right now though, cause dude, look how dirty my rims. I got stuck in my backyard, man. Embarrassing. It's 2,500, bro. Can't get out of some little ass mud. Oh yeah, I didn't read it right there. It's faded as shit. That's why I didn't read it. Hey, tell them to hit you up though, bro. Best details in town or what? Best, cheapest details in town? Hey, but look, I already got it started, so that's like $2 off right there. Off what I'm gonna pay you.
What?
I already did a little bit of work myself.
What?
Right there.
This?
The yellow bag is trash, and this is like, what? Not trash, you know? Nah, not trash. Cause I don't know what. I'm really starting to hate these stocks. But man, dude, my brakes had them looking so grimy. And I'm not gonna lie, bro, this has gotta be one of the best fucking wheel cleaners I've ever used. This shit right here, man. I ain't gonna lie, that shit puts in work. But now I'm finna hit it with a second clean, bro, because I'm not satisfied. It's been too long. It's literally been like 2 months since I've cleaned her. Boy, Poo put in work in that crew cab GMC, bro. This bitch is bad, bro. I like this hoe. I ain't gonna lie. I might have to convince my grandpa to sell it to me. I might have to convince him. We're putting work over there, but Eddie, where you going? Oh, what the hell? My grandma over there. Boys, look, we done found in my great-grandpa's truck. I'm keeping this one for my truck, man. We having VIP parking all summer, dog. Oh, God, but it's a whole new truck. But what were you saying? Where did he wipe it down? Nah, for real, though. Compare that. That is back here. Dude, even if you left it like this, but this would still already be a huge difference just from the vacuum. Dude, just the vacuum made such a huge difference.
And this is just barely like the side piece.
My lower valence is absolutely fucked, man. Like this wrap job from the beginning wasn't the best, but damn, now it's like so fucked. Look who's there with me. But I'm gonna put this back on, just rubbed it down a little bit, but damn, dude, this thing, honestly, I'm glad at least it looks good when it's on the vehicle. But dude, once you take this shit off and really look at it, shit's butt ugly. Yeah, you can use that one. Hey, so look at these, dude, the rims is what looks the worst to me on this vehicle. Like the rims are so fucked. So they're super dirty. Finna hit these, not finna clean the whole body, just don't have enough sunlight today. One wetted them down on this side, that's what they look wetted down. But we're finna see if this thing can bring them any back to life at all. You're finna see. They look pretty bad though right now. Bro, on God, these are sunning up a shitload. Boo, am I tripping? Yeah. God, quit. Oh God, this thing put in work.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh hell no, man. What the fuck?
No cat, these are shining. Boo boo. Spray these down when you're done. Let me see. Well, let me get the hose. Oh my goodness, bro. Huge difference. Huge difference. I didn't even not think that'd be shining like this.
Take the back. Take it the back.
Oh yeah. Dude, look, go. Compare it. Compare that. Then go over there. Yeah, be that close. Damn it, boy. Yeah. Let's go. This bad bitch. And you can see, man, give you the before, man. Give you the before. Show you how clean this bitch cleans up, man. Give you the before. She's super dirty, man. Dude, I'm so happy how these rims came out, though. But, bro, the front end already kind of cleaned it a little bit with some bug spray, and already looking brand new. Except I didn't get the lower valence part down here. Super little dirty, but we finna get to the actual cleaning part right now on the last step. Actually, we finna do the hand cleaning now. Hey, I almost forgot to show you the final product, man. I was already leaving it up here with my grandparents. But man, she cleaned up nicely. Look, since I started off at the tailgate last time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you see it, man. Way cleaner, man. Up in the front, she ain't cleaned up too nice though. Up here on the bumper, these damn bugs, man. Like, look at that. I cannot get that off, and I sprayed it twice with the bug tar remover. But man, she looking real nice. Boo was finna detail this big ass bitch today. I low-key want to take a pull on this, bro. It's a V8. I low-key thought it wasn't gonna be no V8, but it makes sense. This is a crew cab. Hey man, y'all want $10 off y'all's detail, man? Tell him I sent you, man. $30 for the inside, $20 for the outside, $60 house calls, man. Cheapest details in town right here, my boy Boo Boo. He'll hit you, he'll do you right, man. He's doing a house call for my grandma right now. Cleaning her slow ass Ford F-150. I'll smoke the shit out of this too. Now I think about it, bro, I got beef with my grandma. I didn't even know about it. Yep, now I'm beefing with her now too.
Run that video back, cause that.
Hey, if you boys enjoyed that vlog, man, I'm gonna need y'all to smash that fucking like button, man. Hey, this video was filmed over a year ago, though. I want to make that shit clear. This was before I actually bought my GMC. Me and Boo Boo decided to detail it just for my grandparents. And yeah, man, unfortunate passed away, bro, because my great-grandpa, Papa Clyde, that was my grandfather's dad, Charlie, which is my dad's dad. And so that was that side of the family. And so now I own both my great-grandpa's trucks, which is Charlie's dad, and which is my grandpa, and then Amy, his wife, my grandma, her dad was Arnold, and that's who the OBS used to belong to. So now I own both my great-grandpa's trucks, and I think that's a blessing, bro. Like, I think that's such a huge blessing, especially because if you guys knew, obviously you guys never met my great-grandparents, but I wish I would have vlogged a little bit more with Papa Clyde, because I mean, I did get to live a long-ass life with him. But fortunately, Arnold died when I was around the age of 12, but I got to meet him, got to know him a lot. And bro, it makes me feel really happy that I got embraced as a real family by them, because like I said, bro, I met my dad when I was like 5 years old with my mom, so they took us in like family, bro, and I've been loving it ever since. If you guys enjoy the truck content, man, you already guys know what to do, man. Drop a like, drop a comment. I got some more bangers for you guys coming soon. I got this to address. Yeah, man, life been crazy, bro, but hey, life been crazy, but it's been full of blessings as well. So if you guys did enjoy, you already know what to do, man. Go follow me on Instagram, go follow me on Snapchat. Your boy finally made a new Snapchat at Nano Y2K, and my Instagram is Static Nano. Go fuck with me on there. Your boy's always active. Go support your boy's eBay business. Over 2,000 items up for sale currently, and I'm running at 35% off to the end of May. So really good deals on my eBay right now. Hey, that's all I got for today. Hope you guys really did enjoy. It's been your boy Nano, and look at this shitty outro. Wow.